Hi, some tech simulationers. Just a quick video, just to go through the kit that we're using for live streaming. This is stuff we kind of put together over the last couple of years and various bits and stuff we've had lying around. It can be done a lot simpler, but this is what we've gone with. We've got a Blackmagic intensity shuffle, which allows for HDMI and composite inputs to go straight into a computer using USB. USB 3, that allows us to get a video capture, so if we're having presentations and stuff, we can capture straight from the PC into the computer, which can then get sent out. We have a sound converter from Rolan, which allows for HDMI, BNC, SDI, composite, VGA, and allows us to convert all into whatever output we want. So it sort of works alongside with the Blackmagic, so we can get the relevant feed. So whatever's being sent in, we can get back out again at the relevant quality that we need into this. So it works in conjunction with it. We've got a webcam, which we'll use just to get an external view. Straight USB again. So everything generally has people have lying around. We've got the camera that you're using at the minute, which is the Canon EOS 80D with a Rode mic on top, which we've figured out how to plug in and get a feed onto the computer as well now. So we're going to use that as our main camera, which allows us to then zoom in a bit better quality with the bigger lens and stuff like that. But because that's going to be on permanently, we've got a AEC adapter for it, so we can plug that into the power. So it means it can be plugged on permanently, so we don't have to use loads and loads of batteries or change that, as it's going to be on for an hour or so during each live feed. Hundreds of cables, USB hubs, lots of other cables, connectors and stuff like that. There's also going to be audio going into the Blackmagic device from the mixing desk when we're at the arena, but as we're not entirely 100% sure what we're going to use, and we've got loads of different various connectors, XLRs, composites, jacks, mini jacks, so we can plug in whatever is going to be required there for us. Spare memory cards if we need them. Tripods for the camera, so we can use it and move it around. Extension leads, bound to need them. If we're going to be doing some talking heads while we're there, we're going to be using a slightly different lens. And then the fundamental bit, the laptop, which has got OBS installed on it, which is a free bit of software, which we can then use that to control all the live streaming. So everything will be done basically off this. It can be done with literally just that and that, and actually live stream feed. We're taking extra feeds just to make it a little bit extra, make it a bit more useful for people, so we can have the presentations on it and a decent camera of the person, decent zoom-in camera, depending, because we've no idea where we're going to be situated. And that's your basic kit layout, really. There's not a huge amount, but that's all it takes to do it. Oh, and if you want to keep up to date with all the things that are going on at ASPiH, if you subscribe to the channel, get the notifications on. All the keynote speakers are going to be streamed live if you can't make it to the event. Various sessions are going to be recorded and will be uploaded after. And all the technology from the event, so all the mannequins, the IV arms and everything new that's coming out will get uploaded to the channel as well. So keep subscribe, get notifications on, and you'll hopefully be able to see all the new stuff that's coming out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at ASPiH. If not, we'll see you online. Thanks.